What if I told you that right now you can type your movie idea, hit one button, and in less than 2 minutes, AI turns it into a full 8K cinematic film, complete with actors, dialogues, voiceovers, and music? Yeah, no filming, no editing, no acting. Just your imagination transformed into a real movie. That's exactly what MovieMaker 3.0 does. I've tested dozens of so-called AI video creators, but MovieMaker 3.0 honestly blew me away. It's ridiculously easy to use, and the quality? Pure cinematic gold. If you're looking to make money creating or selling AI movies, or just want stunning visual content for YouTube, this is hands down the most powerful tool I've seen this year. So let's dive in and see how it works. Movie Maker 3.0 is the world's first AI-powered 8K cinematic movie creation app. It allows anyone, even complete beginners, to turn text prompts or short ideas into full-length movies with lifelike actors, realistic voices, music, and scenes. It's perfect for affiliate marketers who want cinematic promo videos, YouTubers who don't want to show their face, agencies creating content for clients, and literally anyone who wants to profit from the booming AI movie industry, projected to hit $700 billion by 2027. And the best part? You can sell these movies to clients or upload them to YouTube, TikTok, or OTT platforms for ad revenue. All right, let's jump inside the dashboard. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Type your movie idea. Just enter your movie concept or script outline, like sci-fi short about robots saving Earth. Step 2. Customize. Pick your actors, voice type, language, and even music style. The drag and drop editor lets you adjust everything without touching a single timeline. Step 3. Publish and profit. Hit render, and boom, in under 2 minutes, Movie Maker 3.0 generates a full 8K cinematic movie ready to upload anywhere. You can even auto-post directly to YouTube or integrate with social platforms for instant publishing. And yes, it supports over 150 languages, so you can create movies for global audiences.
Distant corner of the galaxy, a mysterious signal has awakened an ancient alien force long forgotten by time. As Earth prepares for first contact, strange lights begin to appear in the sky.
Now, let's quickly talk about the upgrades in OTOs, because this is where you can unlock the full earning potential. Front end, $14.95. Access to the full MovieMaker 3.0 system with commercial rights. OTO 1, $47. Unlimited edition. Create unlimited 8K movies with no restrictions. OTO 2, $97. DFY Movie Agency. Preloaded templates and reseller kit to sell movies to clients instantly. OTO 3, $37. Viral Traffic Booster. Drive thousands of views with built-in AI traffic tools. OTO 4, $97. Reseller license. Sell MovieMaker 3.0 and keep 100% profits. OTO 5, AI Template Club. Get fresh movie templates every month. OTO 6, 40 Auto Publish Suite. Automatically uploads your movies to YouTube and OTT platforms. OTO 7, 67's AI Tube Monetizer. Monetize every movie for passive ad income. You don't need all of these. But if you want to go full business mode, OTO 2 and OTO 4 are where the real profits kick in. Now, before you click that link below, I've got something massive for you. When you grab MovieMaker 3.0 using my link, you'll get my App Verdict exclusive bonus bundle designed to multiply your results instantly. Here's what's inside. WP Slideshow Master. Create eye-catching, high-impact slideshows for your video agency clients. Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook leads directly into your autoresponder. Build your list automatically. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers in emails to skyrocket conversions. Conversion Equalizer. Boost Google Ads ROI with AI-based optimization. Action Poll. Segment and qualify your audience instantly. Soci Ultima Pro. Drive free traffic from multiple social media channels. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic and boost engagement. WP Video Focus. Keep your videos visible as users scroll for maximum watch time. Auto Support Bot. Add an automated live chat to your movie website. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Start your own passive income sites instantly. These bonuses alone are worth over $4,000, but you'll get them free when you buy through my link, and they're only available for the first 25 buyers, so don't miss this one. Here's my honest verdict. If you've ever dreamed of creating or selling movies, but thought it was too technical, too expensive, or too time-consuming, MovieMaker 3.0 changes everything. You don't need experience, you don't need gear, and you don't even need a scriptwriter. Just type an idea and let the AI do the rest. Right now, it's only $14.95 one time, but that price is increasing soon, and my exclusive bonuses expire in 48 hours or once 25 spots are gone. So click the link below right now, grab MovieMaker 3.0, and I'll send you instant access to all bonuses inside your inbox within minutes. All right, that wraps it up for this review of MovieMaker 3.0, the most advanced AI movie creator I've ever seen. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and drop a comment below letting me know what niche movie you'd create first. The link to grab MovieMaker 3.0 plus my exclusive bonus bundle is right below this video. Click it now before the timer hits 0. This is your chance to turn your imagination into 8K cinematic reality. Don't miss it.